Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on the time and where you are watching us from. Don't forget, this is your guy Crypto Ambassador, and today we are bringing to you an amazing opportunity. This opportunity is so amazing. It is a platform where you can earn every day consecutively for a period of 365 days, and that is a year, a whole year. You earn every day from the deposit from your initial capital. This platform is going to pay you massively based on what you put in. And let me shock you, in this phase of 4 to 5 days, you must have gotten back what you put in. That is your capital, your starting capital. Within 4 days, you are out with your capital. The rest of the days till 365 days is your profit. So guys, make sure you stay, listen and watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of the video because you might be missing the vital information. Stay tuned. Let's take you to the video properly. Okay, before we get into the video properly, I would like you to get to know more about this company. According to my research through Wikipedia, I was able to gather some information about this very company, and the company's name is Arbitrage. The way I say that is the way I pronounced it. I don't know if I might be correct or not, but as you can see on the screen, we have Arbitrage. You have your way of pronouncing. So the company is a Dutch multinational retail and wholesale holding company. Its name comes from the merger between Arbitrage and Dehex Group, the two merging companies which form the present day Arbitrage. Revenue is 87 billion euros by 2022, and number of employees is 414,000 employees. It was founded by Arbitrage, Dehex, the Lion de Louis. It was founded in July 25th, 2016. This is a brief information about this very company I'm going to introduce to you. This company pays you every day according to what you invest, or will I say the capital you start with. I'm going to, like I said before now, I'm going to walk you through the practical steps on how you can register, make your investment and start earning. It is going to be a practical video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your withdrawal. You understand? You can make your withdrawal successfully. I'm going to use my trial account to show you how I was able to withdraw. Thank you. Okay guys, at this point I'm going to show you how to withdraw from the platform, but before I do that, let me quickly show you the balance in my Trust wallet, because I'm using Trust wallet to run this. This is what I have in my Trust wallet. Alright guys, in this video I'm only going to show you the withdrawal process so that the video will not be long. For the registration, I'm going to drop the registration link below the description of this video so that you can do it yourself. It's actually easy to register. Thank you guys. Alright guys, at this point I'm trying to log into my account to show you how you can make your withdrawal from the platform. It is 100% practical. so that you can also see that the platform is actually working. You can see my account, $42 funded. I was actually given free $30. Then I added $12 for VIP 1. Now this is where your tax is admission. You have to click the first one, click the second one. You are actually doing nothing. You can see I have gained $3.2. Then to withdraw, I have to put in the amount I want to withdraw, $3.2. My address is already there. Then I have to put in my security password that I created during the registration process. You are going to see that you can actually use your password, your login password, for your security password. Thank you guys. All right, let's wait a bit for the transaction, the withdrawal to go through. I'm using a Trust Wallet. At least the notification will pop up. It is okay. You can see it. Let me get to my Trust Wallet. I was actually having, you remember the balance I showed you before? It was 6.4. Now I'm actually having $9.6. You can see it yourself. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. As you can see, the platform is actually paying and working. So if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post any new video. Thank you guys, I love you all. Subscribe, share and drop your comments. Make sure you also like the video. Thank you guys.